Okay, today we're talking about a Husky pop-up plug wrench. So I bought this one at Home Depot for right around $13. If we read the description, it has dual ends that fit most vanity sink pop-up plugs and tub strainers. This tool helps hold the strainer in place during installation and removal, or while loosening or tightening drain strainer lock nuts underneath a kitchen sink. Has a lifetime warranty, durable steel construction. However, I have to be honest, I found that the tub drain and kitchen basket strainer that I tried to use this tool on, it would not fit. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's the tool in question, brand new. You'll note I made some black marks with a Sharpie because I'm going to machine down some of the material to make it fit. So here's a standard tub strainer. It's a pop-up tub drain, excuse me. So this would screw into a bathtub. Nothing special about it. Pretty common. And yet you can see it does not fit into the tool. And you can see it's just a hair off. I'm not sure if this is a manufacturing defect or if this tool is designed to only work with specific tub drains. And same with the fork side. You can see it almost goes, but not quite. If you look at a standard 3.5 inch, 4 inch kitchen sink strainer basket, again, nothing special, pretty common, same problem. No matter how I try to put the tool in there, it will not go.
Wow.
No matter what side I try, it doesn't work. However, this tool by Rigid, it's a multi-tool. If I use this side of this tool, it does go into the basket strainer.
Woo!
So that's what I would use for a kitchen basket strainer. And same with the tub drain. You can use it for that as well. I also read online, did some research, and found several other people had this exact same complaint about this Husky pop-up drain wrench, that it doesn't quite fit. And they too had to machine off some material to make it fit. And if we look at the actual manufacturer's instructions for this specific tool, it very clearly states for holding pop-up plugs and drain strainers in place during installation. The instructions are simple, two-step instructions. Insert the appropriate end of plug wrench into drain strainer. Hold plug wrench firmly while loosening or tightening drain strainer lock nut. So unless I'm missing something, I'm following the directions per the manufacturer, per the Home Depot description of the tool. But I had no luck. I had to modify mine to make it work. I did not keep the receipt for this tool, so I would imagine if I tried to go back to Home Depot to return it as a defective tool, I might have had some issue with that. I don't want to deal with that hassle. It was a simple fix. Let me show you what I did. So here's a modified pop-up tub drain side. I simply use my grinding stone on my cordless drill to remove some material. And here is the finished product in use. So here's our tub drain again. Here's a modified tool. We'll put them together. Fits like a glove now.
Wow.
You don't have to remove very much material from the tool, just a tiny bit to make it work. And if we flip the tool around, the fork side now also goes in. It still will not go into the kitchen basket strainer, but I have another tool to use for that. And just to give you a close-up view of the fork side, if you look closely, you can see I just gently removed a tiny bit of material with my grinding stone to make that work. And now we see it fits on there. I hope this information helps you out. Please like, share, subscribe. Drop me a comment below if you had a similar experience with this tool, if you had to modify yours, or if you found this tool only works on specific makes, models, brands, etc. of kitchen basket strainers and bathtub drains. Thanks for watching.